Welcome back to the English teacher. How are you? Most English learners freeze right here. And today I'll show you 5 easy ways to sound natural. No boring textbook talk, just real English you can use right now. Let's go. How are you? How's it going? These mean the same thing. Someone's asking how you feel. So how do you reply? Let's learn the magic answers. I'm fine, thanks. Polite and formal. I'm good, thanks. Common and friendly. I'm great, thanks. When you're happy or excited. Not bad, thanks. Okay day, not perfect. Example, how are you? I'm good, thanks. That's it, easy. After you answer, it's nice to ask the other person too. And you? And what about you? Example, how's it going? Not bad, thanks. What about you? Pretty good. Your voice changes everything. Perfect. Short conversation practice. Mini dialogue 1. Hi. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. And you? I'm good, thanks. Mini dialogue 2. Hey. How's it going? Not bad, thanks. What about you? Great. Mini dialogue 3. Hello. How are you today? I'm great, thanks. It's a sunny day. Fun practice moment. Repeat after me. I'm fine, thanks. I'm good, thanks. I'm great, thanks. Not bad, thanks. Now say one randomly in 3 seconds. Go! What's your common mistakes? Don't always say, I'm fine, thank you, and you, like a robot. Mix it up with, I'm good, thanks, or pretty good. Bonus time. Let's add some greetings for different times of the day. Good morning. When you meet someone before noon, a good afternoon. After 12 p.m. until around 5 p.m. Good evening. After 5 p.m. or when it's dark. Example. Good morning. How are you? I'm great, thanks. And you? It's simple, but makes you sound polite and natural. Quiz time. Someone says, how's it going? And calm are good, thanks. You're okay, but not perfect. Not bad, thanks. It's morning. Say good morning. You feel amazing. I'm great, thanks. Awesome job today. You learned how to greet people in English. I'm fine, thanks. I'm good, thanks. I'm great, thanks. Not bad, thanks. And also, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Practice these every day, with friends or in front of a mirror. See you in the next lesson.